Yeah.
Reel it, reel it. Reel.
Right up for it.
D.
I caught.
Joel caught her one. Reel it, keep reeling it. Don't give up.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's fighting, that's why. Keep reeling it. You got her.
I don't want it to swim up here and bite my
Hurry up.
toes.
No, keep pulling it. Don't be scared. Don't worry.
Ah,
Keep pulling it.
slip.
You're not going to slip. Just pull it.
Put it on the dock, yeah. Pull it
Yeah,
up.
keep doing it. There you go. Oh, it's gone.
That scared me.
A little north in there, has it? Oh, it's gone now.
Yeah, I'll catch another one. Huh?
It scared me. Look, scare that fish. It's black.
Yeah, you almost got it.
Yeah, I was up on the dock here. Do they have teeth, little northern?
Yeah, don't, it won't bite you.